Give your rear wheel well an improved look and increased protection with Rough Country's rear wheel well liners for Nissan Frontier. These eye-catching inner fender upgrades help protect sensitive areas from dust, mud, and debris, and can be easily installed in no time flat. These stylish and practical wheel well liners drastically improve the look of your rear wheel well, hiding any exposed frame or gaps that are apparent, especially after lifting. The durable all-steel construction helps fortify this area, keeping it clear of mud, rocks, and other damaging debris. Each Rough Country liner features a corrosion-resistant powder coat for long-lasting durability. Each liner features a laser-cut Rough Country logo and is designed to mount firmly to the vehicle for a quiet operation with no rattling or vibration noise. Rough Country inner fender liners feature a bolt-on installation process with minor drilling for an easy upgrade you can do with common tools in a home garage. Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.